Hi Fab4 Futures fam. We're going to be going over the Fab4 Futures and Platinum. Starting it off with the beast, NASDAQ. NASDAQ came within 100 points today of the all-time high. We are not overbought on the daily. That is a key factor I will be looking at. We're at RSI of 69 on the daily, so not quite overbought yet. And on the 4-hour, we made that lower low with a long lower wick of buying of the dip, and then we made a higher high, and we have no resistance besides psychological 9,700 and then the all-time high of 9,763. YM. So the Dow is approaching this key level. This is the yellow line is the 50 period moving average, and that's at 26352. That's directly overhead for YM. YM is not overbought on most time frames. The daily, the 4-hour, the hourly is approaching overbought. So let's go back to the daily. We have just a clear higher highs, higher lows, just marching upwards. Bulls are on fire today. And your last support on shorter term time frames, 25494, then 25291. Then your resistance is 27075 would be your next resistance. RTY is now beating up against the 0.618 resistance. When we first started these videos a couple weeks back, we pointed out the 50% retracement, and now RTY has cleared that, and now it's running into the 0.618 retracement, and that is from the January high to the March low. On the 4-hour, we've got that uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. We do have a resistance nearby for RTY where we do not on the YM and NQ, and that is 1453.10 after the high of day of 1425.2. So we have support on shorter term time frames of 1408.60 and then 1399.80. And then ES is approaching 0.618 resistance here at 3135.75. We are not overbought on the daily yet. Our RSI is 67, something to note. And we have resistance coming in hot at 3137 would be that resistance. Shorter term time frames, you have support established at 305725 and then 304775. I pointed this out in our futures room earlier today, and I just want to show you, this is the 100 period moving average, the blue line. And I just wanted you to see how many times it came into play the last few weeks and held. So some of these larger moving period or moving averages, the 50, 100, and 200, we like to use in the room, and then we really find them helpful. Then also EMA stacking. Let's just look at these EMAs. Look at that 12 and 26 stacked, just stacked on top of each other, sloping upwards with a 45-degree. So TEMA, just very, very bullish when you see these stacking EMAs, that they just stack like layers in a cake. Those are just layers of support underneath price. And then finally, Platinum. We discussed Platinum last week. We have weekly inside bars to watch. Those levels are a high of 911.90 and support 84720. We are now coming up on the 0.618 resistance for Platinum at 861.50. And last week we played that daily EQ. We broke bull, and now we're pulling back a little bit. So this may be a time to enter bullish. You have support at 85510 and then 84720. So I will be looking for bullish entries in Platinum over the next few days, but I will make sure the trade comes to me and I don't just go create a trade out of thin air. I want it to come to me. I'm waiting for my perfect pitch. All right, I hope that helps. I will see y'all later.